Okay, we're on the last one, the last homework assignment. We're still on section 9.6, solving rational expressions, number 41. Again, fraction equals to shortcut. So let's continue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and multiply this binomial times the negative 1. So negative 1 times x squared gives me negative x squared. Negative 1 times negative 27 gives me positive 27. Okay, so we're done with that one. I'm going to go to put an equal sign here. Okay, the blue one over here looks like we have a binomial times a binomial. So I'm going to work this off to the side. We have an x minus 3 times x minus 4. So let's go we're going to do FOIL. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 3 times x will be negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 4 will be positive 12. These middle terms will become a negative 7x. So we have an x squared minus 7x plus 12. So far it's getting pretty simple. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'll get rid of the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add an x squared to the left. I'm going to add an x squared to the right. I'm going to subtract the 27 from the left. So I'm going to subtract the 27 from the right. Okay, so again, these will cancel. X squared minus x squared is gone. 27 minus 27 is gone. We're left with a 0 is equal to x squared plus x squared gives us 2x squared. I am going pretty fast because otherwise the video won't upload into YouTube, and I want to make sure that I'm able to upload all videos up to YouTube. 12x and minus 27x. So the signs are different. You subtract. So 27 minus 12, let's see here. What will we end up with? 27 minus 12. Okay, that gives us a 5. That gives us a 1. So what is that? Positive or negative? That'll be a negative 15. That'll be a negative 15. Now, can we factor this? First, can we divide anything out of each term? You can factor a 2 here, but not there. A 5 here, but not here. 7's prime, so it looks like we can't do anything. So let's go ahead and write our factors. We're going to factor 15. 1 times 15. 3 times 5. 5 times 3. 15 times 1. The reason why I give the whole list, even the reverse list, is because we don't have a 1 up here. We have a 2. So we're going to have to actually do a little more work. We have 1 times 2 and 2 times 1. Remember, we have repeats on the left, we have repeats on the right. This one seems to be like more repeats, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. So I'm going to begin. I'm looking for a 7. Okay, 7. 15, 2. 15 and a 2. A 15 and a 2 won't give me a 7. 5 and 6. 5, 6. Looks like that won't give me a 7. 31. 30 and 1 looks like that won't do it either. Hopefully this seems to be the last one. 10 and 3. 10 and 3. Definitely a 10 and a 3 if you subtract them. A 10 and a 3 if you subtract them. 10 minus 3 will give you that 7 that we're looking for. So we found our factors here. So it'll be 0 is equal to parentheses times parentheses. Okay, so 2 and 1 will go on the first one. 2 and 1. And 3 and 5 will go on the ends. 3, 5. Let's not forget to put our x's there. Signs are different because that's a negative there. So let's see here. I need it to be a positive. So, we have a situation. No, we're okay. Everything seems fine. So we're going to have a positive 10 minus 3. Let's see if that works for us. Let's see here. That'll give me negative 3x, and then these two will give me positive 10x. And together, what do we get? We get that 7x that we're looking for here. So now it's time to solve. I'm going to go ahead and continue solving over here on the right. So I'm going to do the zero product property again. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, and then the second one's going to be x minus 5 is equal to 0. I'm going to put them on top of each other because I'm out of room. So I'm going to add a 3, and I'm going to add a 3. Again, my 3's cancel. So I'm left with 2x is equal to 3. Now I'm going to divide a 2, and our solution would be x is equal to 3 over 2. Now it's time to do the bottom one. Okay, we're going to do a plus 5 and a plus 5. I'll go ahead and do it since it's the last one. Plus 5, plus 5. Even though you guys should be getting pretty good at doing these one-step equations in your head. So x is equal to 5. Let's see if any of these will work. Looks like they're all going to be fine. Let me check the answer. We have a 3 halves and a 5. Let's check it out. Okay, that's it. The book actually shows a negative 3 halves. If anybody at your seats can figure out why there's a negative 3 halves, I cannot see it off the top of my head why we ended up with a negative 3 halves. But if you can find it, just let me know. Okay? Bye-bye.